from a regular kick through. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, kick, step, kick, hold, kick, step, kick, hold. Okay, this is gonna be your plain vanilla entrance, but I think we're gonna do a big kick. So you want me to lead it?
Yeah,
boop,
you lead
boop,
it.
boop, boop, boop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know why I'm counting. What's gonna happen is when you're facing towards the back leads, you're gonna scoop in, and you're gonna do a big kick and rock step. Okay?
Yes.
So when you're facing this direction, you come around, kick, step. You're going to get close to your follow. With the outside legs, you're going to do that big kick just like on a kick up, and then you're going to go back to your basic from there.